Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ilsusik Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. Ilsusik Deryang, Sipsam and Sipsaban. So 13 and 14. I'm going to step to the left into a front stance and inside-outside knife hand block, but quickly shift into a back stance. Here I'm going to mantis grip the wrist and aptorio chagi roundhouse kick, and then aniso pakado chagi. Put my foot down in front of their foot, and from here I'm going to change feet, switch my hip, grab their shoulder or put my hand across their shoulder and chest, and shove and do a low round kick to the back of their calf. Boom. Okay, so kicking through, they'll fall here, and then I'm going to reverse punch straight down. Tulo chindankun kick. From the other direction, okay, on the right, I will bail out here to the right as I clear into back stance, round kick, in out, shift, take down, and reverse punch. From the other angle, your perspective. We're going to go left first. So again, I'm going to step out like into a front stance and then shift into back stance. Round kick, inside out, round kick again, and reverse punch down. Okay. So this is a sweeping round kick to take their leg out from underneath. Now to the right, shift into back stance as I do that knife hand. Grab, body shot, head shot, leg shot, body shot again. And that is Ilsusik Deryang. Sip Samban, Sip Saban. And that is One Step Sparring, 13 and 14. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for new video notifications. And in the next video will be 15 and 16. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.